Appreciate it. Take this time to welcome each and every one of you to this prestigious program.
Please join me in putting your hands together as I proudly endorse as Venolia Fortuin, Dirk Kotsa for the mayor of Muscle Bay. Thank you very much. God bless.
Introduce and welcome Mr. Jizani Mzi Wenda.
Mr. Mayor, the last thing I wanted to say is what the speaker said is that, and the other DA members, you need to do what we call total takeover. Coalition does not work. We need total takeover. Let us take everything. Alles in Afrikaans. And what I want to say is that to the DA members, let us support the mayor. And I repeat again, I have only one word, and that word is total takeover. Thank you.
Provincial Minister, Mr. Yakolont, everyone. Thank you very much.
We cannot build on the future if we don't acknowledge the past. And we are blessed to have some of our former councillors here. Alderman Jim van der Merwe, voormalige burgemeester Marie Ferreira. Baie dankie dat julle hier so is. Maar ek sien net hulle die laaste keer toe ek in die saal was met Erika Meyer se gedenkdiens. So ons moet eer gee aan die wat voor ons gekom het. So gee lekker aan dit wel. But being a leader for everybody is what really marks whether you're successful or not. And then when you're in government, you need to govern for everybody, irrespective of whether they voted for you or not. And without a doubt, one of the best mayors that we've got, not just in this province, but in South Africa, is such a leader. Dirk, you are not just leading in words, you are leading an example. You're staying humble, you're still accessible. You don't look at what a person represents, how they appear, to that person that set the example for these candidates, all the other candidates we will announce, and also all the members of what it truly means to build the South Africa that we believe in. So from my side, I'm proud to call you not just a colleague, but a friend. I'm proud of the type of leader that you are. Because if we want to change this country and make sure we truly unlock its full potential, we need many more Dirks to step into politics. Not because you don't have other options, it's because you fully embrace the responsibility of what it is to be the change that you want to be in this world. So from my side, I'm honored to endorse you, and I wish you all the best, and may you be blessed in your next term. Big round of applause to Dirk Coetzee.
Good afternoon, Mossel Bay. Are you enjoying yourselves? Viva DI, viva! Viva DI, viva! En dit is miskien een van die grootste lesse wat geskiedenis ons leer. Leiers word uiteindelik nie beoordeel volgens die beloftes wat hulle maak nie, maar volgens die mense wie hulle dien. Die besluite wat hulle neem wanneer tye moeilik raak en die nalatenskap wat hulle agterlaat. Daar is nog 'n aanhaling wat my oor baie jare diep aangeraak het. 'n Antieke Griekse spreekwoord wat lui: A society grows great when people plant trees in whose shade they know they shall never sit. Ek is lief vir daai woorde, want dit herinner ons daaraan dat 'n ware leierskap en 'n ware leier nooit oor onsself gaan nie. Dit gaan oor die volgende geslag. Ons is bloot rentmeesters. Ons ontvang iets kosbaars. Ons bou daarop. En ons gee dit sterker oor aan die wat na ons kom. To me, that is what building a legacy is all about. Maar hulle sal leef met die gevolge van die besluite wat ons vandag neem. Hulle sal leef in die Mosselbaai wat ons saam gebou het. En daarom, kom ons hou aan dien. Kom ons hou aan bou. Kom ons hou aan geleenthede skep. Ons sê nie ons het 'n arrive nie. Ons vra vir julle om vir ons, vir my span, en vir die DA te stem, omdat ons baie werk het om te doen. Ons het nie arrive nie. Ons het nog ver om te gaan. Kom ons hou aan plant vir die geslag wat na ons kom. Together, let's keep Mosselbaai iconic. I thank you very much.
Ek is Leslie Joubert en ek stem vir DA Mosselbaai en Dirk Kotse as my burgemeester.